Just at the shed tonight, and Mitch is playing around up here.
We're gonna have what are they called? The RSA? Nah. What are those guys? Safe work. We're gonna have safe work coming here, bro.
What are you doing there, Mitchy?
Well, we're tying Jesse and I are tying a knot up here so we can pull the 4K out, but we've got no we've got no hook on the fucking thing, eh?
Yeah, Ke blew a head gasket, so it's time to pull it out now with some chains and that steel beam.
That's on there. Oh yeah. Yeah, fucking sweet, man. Hey, man. Oh yeah.
Just undoing the engine mount.
Oh.
Righty tighty. Loosey goosey.
Take that fucker out.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, that's take it.
Yeah. Yeah. She'd be out then. That's
Just move the car back so if this does fucking, it's not dropping on the grill. Push the car out.
simple. It came out pretty easy, didn't it?
Yeah, man. Out the fuck. Dude. Some shit like this, that loom. Where's that loom going to? The alternator. Yeah.
Oh, another one there. Nice.
Oh, nice. We are professional.
LS1 now. Yeah, just a quick little 4K removal tonight. Nice, boys. Nice. Hello, hello. I hope you enjoyed that little 4K removal. Jesse's KE is back at his now, and he'll be awaiting a 4H. Good luck to you, Jesse. Anyway, we're back up here. It's like 11:30 and it's 30 degrees. It's hot. Warm summer's night here, and we have only a little bit of bog to spare. And we're gonna be actually putting it on these holes across the body line there. And here's the hood. The putty has been sanded back by Mitch, and it feels nice and smooth. And those bits have gone that were chipped there, which is great. And the hood's pretty much ready for primer, and then after that, paint, of course. The sides need another skim of bog, which I'll need to buy. This side needs maybe 2 more skims, and then we'll probably put the spray putty, if there's enough, over that and get it silky smooth. So we're slowly putting along, and yeah, let's mix up some bog. Mitch is a bit tired after working the land today. I'll just slap the bog on. Both sides are done. Just waiting for it to dry, and then I can sand it flat. And it should look a bit cleaner, a bit nicer without the holes there. Well, it's just sitting in bog, and it's taken a little while to dry. And me and Mitch were just sitting around shit talking. And now it's 3 AM because time just disappears when you're here. So just gonna sand it when we come back up here next. And tomorrow, hopefully I'll buy another tin of bog. And then we can put the final skims on the sides. And I don't know, she's pretty close to getting primer on her and then paint. So yeah, time warp. Alright, back here. I've got body filler to do the sides. Mitch is throwing out some old crap.
Yeah. Anyone want anything? Green bin.
Yeah, you can go find the bin.
Yep.
go to the dump and go through it. 2 AM, so probably gonna be here till sunrise. Bogging the sides up here. Need one more or 2 more skims. Yeah, so I'm just gonna mix up some bog. Feeling this area here. Alrighty, quick slap of the bog. Oh, only on that big bit because I need to try to fill that bit up the most and just a little bit on the other side. I'm gonna let that dry off and then maybe sand it back if I can find some sandpaper. Ew. So yeah, just sanded that back by hand. You've got to get more pads and hit it a bit better, and then maybe one more light skim of bog, and then putty. And yeah, so I don't know what time it is, but bedtime I guess, 4:30. Catch you next time. Alright, another night, another bog and sanding time. Sides need to be done, another skim. Hopefully we can finish these tonight. So we're gonna get started with some sanding. But I got pads this time. Nice. Getting ready to lay some bog in these bits here. And like, we're gonna sand it back so it's like that, so it should look a lot neater. Yeah. We've just sanded back some bog and then we've put just one more on there and we're gonna let that dry. It's like 2 AM now, so we're going to the service station to get some drinks. Yeah, back from our little servo run. Got some couple of noodles there. Barocca for the energy drink. Mitch got the Subway. Here's the energy drink. Ready to get back into it, eh? So we've just taken the fenders off the car. Got them set up here just so we can work the underside. A bit easier, get that all neat. We sanded all on that side, so that's pretty neat. And yeah, the next time these go back on the car, it should be all painted and everything, so exciting stuff. So we're just done for tonight with just a bit of sanding back, and we're just going to finish it off tomorrow. Just finish sanding and then one more layer of bog should do it. And yeah, it's 5 AM. Got plans to come back up tomorrow, maybe around 4 PM or so. So I'll see you there. Yeah, back at the shed. Haven't been filming much, but
I need one of them off, man. Off? I need one of those off, yeah.
We spraying these in primer.
Yeah.
Yeah, just been preparing these and doing small things, so I didn't film it, but yeah, we'll get this going in primer tonight. Nice. Yeah, first coat done. Alright guys, we're done putting primer on this. It's like 4 AM now, so it's just cleaning up and going home. The next video I post after this might be the reveal, so look out for that. Then after that will just be the standard vlog of painting the car and whatnot. So thanks for watching. See you next time.